Hello, how you doing? So look, back again with another budget-friendly recipe for you all. So what we're going to do today is some sausage pasta. I've got here, this is for 340 grams, I think, of sausages. There's 10 of them, kind of chicken franks. Not the best sort of stuff, but they're all right. Anyway, get them out, and I'm going to chop them up, and we're going to start that off with 1 cup or regular size kind of onion. So in a pan, what we're going to do, get a little bit of oil in there. Then I'm going to drop in first the onion before the sausages. And let them go for about 3 or 4 minutes. We're on a medium heat, by the way. Next up, what I'm going to do, get a little bit of salt and pepper in there. And then you can add a spice, you know, well, it's up to you really what spice you put in. I'm going to put some chili powder in my one. And a little bit of oregano, or oregano as some of you call it. So staying on this medium heat, drop the sausages in that we've now chopped up, and then we're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, that's looking all right, isn't it? Next up, we're going to add in 1 regular sized can of tomatoes. These were a whole plum tomato. I just kind of chopped them up a little bit. You know what I mean when I say a regular sized can, don't you? And then to that, we're going to add like 2 tablespoons of ketchup. That's going to give it a nice kind of sweetness and balance out for my chili that I've added. So off that goes, again on the medium heat. We're going to go for about another 4 to 5 minutes. Super duper, that's looking all right, isn't it? Little bit of Parmesan cheese, optional if you like, you don't have to put it in, but it'll kind of make it slightly more creamy. And that's it, job done. Gonna place that on some spaghetti. There's enough here for 2-3 people, I would guess. Anyway, that's a nice little budget one. Hope you enjoyed that, keep safe, keep well, see you soon, lots of love.